और अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे, मिशाल मलिक मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रही हैं।
Families all over the world. I have not been able to meet my husband for almost 10.5 years. My daughter was in her lap. She was only 2 years old when last time we visited him in Srinagar Central Jail. And he's facing a hanging case by the Modi regime. And he's following the Israeli settlement formula. So we need to be more united globally also as voices of peace, as voices of liberation, and these are the legitimate struggles. And there is this perception in the world, especially being spread by the occupiers, that the freedom fighters or people who are leading the freedom struggle are, God forbid, terrorists. And all those illegitimate struggles around the world are being equated with this legitimate struggle. And I think I would explicitly like to make it clear that Pakistan has always stood by the people of Palestine, and our principal stance on the two-state solution is there. But as a Kashmiri also, and as a person who is facing the same genocidal acts, I feel that this is the time that we can, really unify the world. When the global public is standing for the rights of humanity, when it's standing for the people of Palestine, I think we can change the new world order. Otherwise, I see jungle law implementing in the world if genocide is the new world order. And people are watching it live in cinemas, in their homes, on laptops, on their phones, and yet they are failing to, implement all those laws that respect humanity. There's so much I can say about the Palestinians. It's like we are living in hell, these people, and I think the people around the world, of the liberated world and liberated nations, it is not just about the Muslim Ummah, it's not just about Islam, it's about humanity. All those people out there, I urge the global public also to urge and put pressure, assert pressure on their political leaders around the world to finally give a voice to the Palestinians, and their land should be freed according to the aspirations of the Palestinians. And I'm here to offer myself also for any kind of peace efforts for a final settlement between Israel and the Palestinians. I am there as a Pakistani, as a Kashmiri. I am a strong advocate for final settlements of these issues of Kashmir and Palestine. Otherwise, I feel that, there'll be so many militant movements around the world that will come forward to save the people of Palestine and of Kashmir. And then, overall, can we afford another World War III in the world to erupt? We need to give peace a chance. We need
मिशाल मलिक मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रही हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि गज़ा में इसराइल के मज़ालिम की सख्त अल्फाज में मज़म्मत करते हैं। मज़ीद उन्होंने कहा कि कश्मीर के अंदर भारत कश्मीरियों पर जुल्म और सितम कर रहा है, अक़वाम आलम उस पर कोई एक्शन नहीं ले रहा है। मज़ीद उन्होंने कहा कि गज़ा के मुसलमानों की इमदाद हम सब की ज़िम्मेदारी है। गज़ा के मुसलमानों की बहाली सबका मिशन होना चाहिए। पाकिस्तान फ़लस्तीनी बहन भाइयों के साथ खड़ा है।